Hello world, I'm Derek and welcome to my channel. This short video is about a King's tool roll I just bought. It's here and that's it there. The King's tool roll bag. Hi, now this is a King's tool roll bag I just bought off King's. All my tools are in one bag, can't find them, so I decided to buy one of these. Warranty 12 months. That's what it looks like. Comes in a bag, khaki colour. Open it up. Open. That's the bag there. So I hope to get all my tools in there so I can find them. Unclip it. Tool bag. One side here, we will have all these pockets. There's pockets down there, pockets down here, and this side as well. So there's either side there's pockets, you put stuff in that way and in that way. And on this side you have removable bags. Take it off like that, put screwdrivers in it or whatever you need in it, cable ties, and use it and put it back. There's velcros on it, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these removable bags on that side. So that's what I intend to do with it, is put my tools in it and I'll see what happens. And I'll get back to you. At the moment, all my tools are in a bag like this, which is a peg bag from Tentworld. They're pretty cheap bags from Tentworld, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get as much as this into that as possible. In here I have socket sets. In here I have socket sets, silicons, measuring devices, putty, liquid steel putty, I can drill, knives, and you name it, it's in here. Levels, everything else. So what I'm going to do is try and get at least the spanners into the bag, the ring spanners, so I know which order they're in, and I got some ratchet rings as well. As I say, go through here, I can never find anything. That's a ratchet ring. And the ratchet rings, I got ratchet rings ones in there as well. So I'm going to try and go through these and put the all the gear in order and try and sort it out. Hopefully I can do it. Okay. In this bag now is only a bit of silicone. That can go back into that one, and something to measure with. I can put that in the other bag as well. That's all it's going to be in the socket set over there, and that's what it looks like. Now the tools I had probably are not a set. They're all bits and pieces I've had left over from other sets I've had, so I've just thrown them all in one bag like this. So that's what it is. You pick it up, carry it, the handles, you can carry it anywhere you want, and roll it out. So I'll just roll it out, put it over here. This is it here. Okay, so what I've done is you just unclip it like that. And roll it out. You can unclip these if you wish to make it easy to access. And you want something. Take this one out. Take it out. Take it where you want it. Don't write on there what's in it, but at the moment there's ratchet rings with an open ender on the other end. So there's a set of those in there. This one here has a complete set of ring and open enders. Complete set in there. This one here, I can get more in here if I want. I'll shove in that, and I will shove in some cable ties. But in here it's got hacksaw blades, hacksaw gloves, and a knife. And this one here, that one here's got, oh, there's another knife there, and it's got electrical tape, a filler, in case you need some filler, a level, and a lot of brushes, so you can brush the dirt away and clean it up when you're working on something. Multi-purpose paintbrushes. Okay. As I said, you can open it up if you wish. That's on that side. Turn it over. Now, open this up. There's room for more things in here. That's a set of screwdrivers. A lot of them have got metal ends, so you can give them a bit of a whack. Scissors. A couple of pairs of scissors. Shifter. Pliers. Long nose pliers, short long nose pliers, long nose pliers. Side cutters, and actually a paintbrush in here as well, and a big screwdriver. So all the gear is in there like that. That just rolls over. It'd be better if you had a complete set. No, shorter, but they're not. Okay, I'll turn this back over again. Done up here. Okay, so that's there. Now, turn that over there. Now, there's a zip in here as well. And in here I have a hammer. Takes a bit of getting out, but I'm going to have to cut the end of it off. But it's a hammer in there. You can see the hammer. Pick it up and you can use the hammer for whatever you want. Okay, so as I said, you can take these straps off, unclip them there if you want, pull them out like that. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to clip them all together again. Makes it easier to do everything. So pour that over the top. Here, roll it up. Put it under there, under there, under there. Pull the tab down. And that's it. You wish you can. Pick this up here, like that, under there, under there, under there, and over there. That's it. So, you have the handle. You can pick it up like that and throw it over your shoulder. Like that. So that's the King's tool roll. Well, that's it. That's a King's tool roll. If you had things that are a bit neater in there, but at the moment everything I wanted to do is fit in it. You can pick it up, throw it over your shoulder, pick it up with the handles and carry it to the job. Not like before, and then you know where everything is. You pick up one of the under the racks and then you can do it. So that's it. It's the King's tool roll bag. AKTO-TRBAG-01. I think they're about $35 plus delivery, which is about 10, might be $37 plus delivery. And there you have it. Thank you. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Cheers.